If you suspect you've developed a hardware problem with your memory, then Windows gives you an easy way, Windows 10 at least gives you an easy way to check if you've got a problem with your DDR4 memory or DDR3 if it's older than say 5 years or older, you'll have DDR3. What you do is you go to Start and type in Memory, and the Windows Memory Diagnostic application pops up. Click on it and then select either run on a reboot or to run it now and reboot the system now. So you can restart now and check for problems, or check for problems the next time I start my computer. Yeah, I've scheduled it to restart next time I reboot, which I'm going to do now anyway. So now let's see what the Memory Diagnostic tool does, whether it finds any problems on this machine that's over 5 years old. So it's DDR3 memory, 32 gig RAM. Let's see how long it takes. So now Windows is rebooting, or should I say restarting. I'm going to see what happens when it checks the memory to see if there's any bad memory installed in your system that could be affecting system stability. Here we go. Windows Memory Diagnostics tool. Windows is checking for memory problems. This might take several minutes. I've got 32 gig RAM installed of DDR3, so it probably will take a while. Running test, pass 1 of 2. Overall 7% complete. No problems detected yet, which is good, but let's see what happens when it's completed at least 50%. And Windows will restart automatically. The test results will be displayed after you've logged on. That's good. So far no problems. This is a good quick memory diagnostic tool built into Windows 10, which is useful to check for any memory problems that bring system instability. So this computer is over 5 years old. State of the art when I bought it, a 4790K, 32 gig RAM and a SSD hard drive, which weren't common, 5.5 years ago. Since which time the only thing I've upgraded is the hard drives. It's got it's got 4 mechanical and a new SSD in it as well, so 6 altogether, which is the maximum it will support. But to disconnect the CD-ROM. No problems. First pass looks complete without any problems, so the memory is still good. Good. No problems detected on the first pass. So it looks like the memory is still good in this 5.5-year-old computer. And yes, I'll be upgrading the system. Well, I'll be getting a new system this year. And I'm looking at the Threadripper 3960X. The 3970X is too expensive. But if they drop the price for the 3960X to maybe £1,000, then that would be the dream system for me. Whilst Intel's offering of a 10980 XE is a bit overpriced. I think they currently sells for £1,200. It's got doesn't perform as well as the 3960X, less cores. I think 10980 XE is 18 core 36 thread, while the 3960 is 24 core 48 thread. DDR4 system, again, it'll probably be 32 gig RAM. That's more than enough. I probably went for overkill all those years ago. I think 16 gig RAM would have been enough. but now I think 32 gig RAM will still be okay. Don't think I need to go to 64 gig RAM unless the processor requires it. I think the Threadrippers like to have more memory sticks then rather than in pairs, i.e. 4 memory sticks. We'll see anyway. There we go. Windows passed the memory test. It's inbuilt diagnostic. Now we're rebooting into Windows. It should give me a brief update of the results once I log in. There we go. Let's have a look what the diagnostic report is. Where is it? So where's the diagnostic report? Still waiting for the report to appear. He said he was going to give a report. So much for that. There is no report. Where is it? What's that in the right hand corner? So the memory diagnostic tool said it will give you a report after you log on. Well, I'm not seeing anything. What's this? Oh, there we are. It's gone. There was a little message saying no problems reported. That was it, just brief. Click the arrow to see if there's more information. Nothing. Okay, no, so that was the brief report. It's a little tab in the corner saying no errors. So that's good. I was hoping it'd give me more detail. No detail, no information, just a quick message.